Of class 7. Today we will study English Literatures, chapter number 9, The Case of Missing Necklace. Yesterday and day before yesterday, I have already introduced the chapter. I have told you, I have explained you the story and what is happening in the story. So now, today, page number 132, last second para. Okay, so let us start today. Here, as Bidhi fell on the floor and the bearded man tripled, the briefcase slid across the floor and fell upon the Nazma's feet. Everything that it contained lay scattered among the camera, stationery, pamphlet, and diary dazzled a beautiful necklace. Nazma stared at it in astonishment. The man rushed and put his things back in the briefcase. He ran to the lift and went down shouting, "You kids are a nuisance here." Okay, now you understand. Yesterday Bidhi and Nazma both are in corridor of the flat. Now they have noticed that the bearded man is coming. So now this is the reason Bidhi fell on the legs of the bearded man, and now his briefcase now totally just fall down, and all the materials, all the things whatever in the briefcase, that was totally scattered on the floor. And when it happened, all the things like here camera, stationery, pamphlet, diary, and there was also a beautiful necklace. You can just see in the figure, it means all it's now scattered. And after seeing the necklace, Nazma was really shocked, surprised. And after that bearded man has collected all the things again and put in the briefcase, and now he was rushing towards the lift and shouting, "You kids are really nonsense. You are wicked." Okay. Now next para. Vidhi ran to her flat, followed by Nazma. She told Vidhi nervously that the man was carrying a gun in his pocket. Vidhi dialed the intercom number of the guard at the main gate. "Uncle, please note the color and number of the car in which the tall bearded man in black is leaving." The guard on duty immediately gave her the details, and they inquired, "But what is the matter, child? We will tell you later, uncle," said Vidhi. And after Vidhi ran towards her flat, and Nazma was also with her, and both are talking together. That now Vidhi nervously said that that man has also carried what? He has a gun also in his pocket. And after that, Vidhi called just the guard, means flat's guard number, and now said to her that, "Sir, uncle, please note down the number of red car and that bearded man was going to leave. So please note it down." And after that, the guard has given all the details, and he asked also, "What is the matter, kids? What is the matter, girl?" So now Vidhi said, "Okay, uncle, I will tell you later." Okay. Now on the next page, Vidhi dialed the helpline number 200, and a crisp voice answered, "Hello, uncle. A tall, bearded man in black traveling in a red car with a number DBT4345 is a thief. He is carrying the lost necklace. I am calling from the 503 South Square, North Delhi," said Vidhi. "Right," said the voice, who listened to Vidhi and took down the details. And after getting the information, now Vidhi just dialed the number, police number 200, and there is a reply of, "Hello, what can I do?" So now after that, Vidhi said, "Uncle, there is a tall bearded man in black traveling in a red car, and car's number is DBT4345, and that person is a thief person who has already stolen what? The necklace." Okay, so he is here, check. "And I am calling from the 503 South Square, New Delhi. So just, sir, please catch him immediately." And after, and Bidhi had just given all the details, and now what happened last para? When the girls told their mothers about the incident, they were worried. Within an hour, the thief was nabbed, and the police also arrested two others hiding in the flat on their floor. Vidhi and Nazma were rewarded by the police and given the prize amount. They were praised for their presence of mind and for showing exemplary courage. Later, the girls were also interviewed on TV, and Shubham watched all this in amazement. He muttered, I was wrong, I should not have underestimated them. Okay, now after that, both girls, they have told their mother about the incident, what happened, how they have just means that person, bearded person they have met, and what they have noticed, means everything, every detail. And after that, within hours, that person, the thief, was arrested, caught by the police. And within a few hours, what happened? In the starting, parents, means Nazma and Bidhi's parents, were worried, but they understood. And after that, Bidhi and Nazma both were awarded by the police. And later, for why? For their presence of mind and courage, a lot of courage. Both were awarded. And later, they were also interviewed. Means the reporter has interviewed Nazma and Bidhi. And Shubham, actually watching it on television, he was very sad. He was just feeling guilty what he has told. He muttered, this is the reason here check. He muttered, I was wrong, I should not have underestimated them. It means he actually, Shubham was thinking that the girls cannot do anything, they are the girls. But here they have shown the courage, the presence of mind. Okay, so now this chapter completed. So today I will give you question answer also in PDF. So complete that, and word meaning also you have to complete it in fair copy. Okay, thanks.